Okay, next one we are going to define function with multiple parameters. So define maximum. We are going to have 3 parameters inside, or name it as value 1, value 2, and value 3. So there will be a maximum value. Start with the value 1. Let's say 10, 20, 30, for example. If value 2, which is 20, greater than value, max value here, which is 10, that is true, then we will say max value become value 2. If value 3 greater than max value, which is 30, then of course we say max value become value 3. Then we are going to return the result, max value. So let's say maximum 10, 20, 30. So answer is 30, which is correct. Okay, maximum we can do with decimal point 10.1, 20.2, and 30.3. Answer should be 30.3. It looks a bit strange, but you can do with the character value. So we know that y appear after O and then R. So if you look at the alphabetic order, the first one should be O, then R, then Y. So yellow is the biggest number. Okay, so that's the answer. That's all for functions with the multiple parameters. Okay, there are 3 parameters. Thank you.